How to handle negative reviews on Fiverr professionally. First of all, take a deep breath and stay calm. Don't rush to reply emotionally or defensively. Remember, professionalism always matters more than being right. Next, carefully read the review to understand the buyer's concern. Try to identify what exactly went wrong, whether it's about communication, delivery time, or work quality. Knowing the reason helps you fix the issue and avoid it in future orders. After that, go to your order page and send a polite message to your buyer. This shows you care about client satisfaction. If the issue can be resolved, politely request the buyer to consider updating the review after you fix the problem. However, never pressure them. It should always be their choice. Then move on to respond publicly under the review. Keep your message short, respectful, and professional. For example, "Thank you for your feedback. I'll use this to improve my future projects." This helps new buyers see that you handle criticism maturely. Finally, focus on improving your gig quality, communication, and delivery process. A few positive reviews after a negative one can quickly balance your overall rating. Now you know how to handle negative reviews on Fiverr professionally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.